I don't call it solid enough skill. I call it a hub where you sell what you can't do. Yeah, what you can't do. You can say it's there. Fever. Anything you are proficient in, anything you're quite good at. It mustn't be a skill. Just what you're good at. So come over and make money. That's it. You come over and make money. That's it. So Fiverr. Use Fiverr.com and you're on Hustler Secrets. So I'll be presenting as usual. Apps that reviews on apps that you can use to make money. So Fiverr is one of them. You sell what you're good at. I don't call it skill, but you sell what you're good at. So as you can see over there is loading. You visit this portal. Then you sign up. For example, you could take a look at sellers and marketers out there, and then you view what they offer, check out what they offer. With that, you could learn what you could offer yourself. So that's it. For example, now, why is it taking long? Oops. I didn't expect this shit. What the fuck is going on? It's like the network is kind of bad. So this is Fiverr. Can you please be fast? Just be fast, okay? Yeah. A little bit fast over here. Don't mind. That's the stress you go through in trying to earn. You're gonna exercise a bit of passion. That's just it. Money on my mind. Yeah. Yes, sir. Let's try and save. Okay. You already know what time it is. Just woke up, I don't even know what time it is. Still a little long from this crazy night. Let me go ahead if I'm a mile away. My mind's on baggage. You could sign up. Yeah, if you already have an account, you could sign in. Or sign up using your Google, your Apple, or your Facebook account, and if just to get you the preview of what is going on. This is Fiverr. They have the app, and here you could see you could view the logo design if you're a designer, a graphic designer, graphics, WordPress designer, website builder. You could also upload your services if you're an affiliate marketer under Bluehost or the rest. So a lot of things you could do. You have a skill or you have something you're good at, your hobby. Yeah. You market it here professionally. You get contracts on contract basis. You get paid. Let's look at some people who have the services here. Yeah, some persons, for example, under graphic design, you have logo design, brand style, guides, game art, graphics for streamers, business, cars, stationery, website design, apps design, UX design, all of them, UX, landing page design, resume design. This are the rest. There was definitely one you could do, one you are good at, or you could start getting good at. So if you have the skill, you out of all this, there is one you're good at. Come up here and market your skill. Make money with it. There are people out there who need the services, who need somebody that will do this for them. So here you have the chance to market your skill. And on selling it, you get paid, you get your money, you keep moving up, you keep stepping up. That's it. Don't just sit down. You gotta stand on your feet. Looking at this, these are all under graphic now. You have under digital marketing, you will have under writing. You could come over, go on the portal and you get the view of all this. You could even engage in something new and unique. So this is the general idea of it, and the money you make will always reflect here. You can see that's by the way. So that's the introduction to this. It has been existing for a while. There have a lot of them out there, and people are they are making money and earning from it. You have video animation and the rest. These are all categories that you could file in. So keep liking, subscribing, following the channel, and I keep giving you more tips and more vibes, on how you could step up and start earning. You gotta be consistent, and trust me, it will yield results.